conclude, what I wish to say is that practicing in Supreme Court is challenging but very rewarding. It is a very intense intellectual and professional experience that most of us will get only when you come to the Supreme Court. It teaches you to be more conscious about judicial time as a resource. It allows you to tighten up your own, it helps you to it will make you tighten up your belt to deal with a situation where you have to actually convey a lot in a very short period of time. The practice has its own advantages and challenges and thrills. Imagine being able to argue a matter in the Supreme Court of India. It is not an opportunity that every lawyer gets. It is still the privilege of very few in comparison with the numbers of lawyers that practice all over the country. So you need to be a cut above the rest. You should definitely possess certain very important inherent skills like what I mentioned here and before. Ability to think on your feet, ability to respond quickly, situational awareness, inquisitiveness, and a keen sense of law. These are the essential attributes that you need to possess for practicing in the Supreme Court. It is not merely an opportunity to practice, it is also an opportunity to excel. Let me tell you this, my experience of practicing in the Supreme Court has equipped me to appear in every court in this country. I find myself so well equipped to deal with any kind of matters anywhere in India because of the kind of exposure that I got. Your exposure to the Supreme Court practice gives you the kind of leverage and the ability and confidence that you will probably take longer duration of time to develop if you were practicing in another court. It is not by any means suggesting that practicing in other courts is relatively easy. Every court is a challenge. Every court gives you an opportunity. But the Supreme Court, by virtue of its unique position, powers and jurisdiction, and the fact that it is the apex court, it does give a lawyer who regularly practices there certain advantages and ability to develop certain insights which no other court gives. To conclude, let me put it this way. Practicing law in the Supreme Court is a very demanding, intense, but thrilling experience. It will mold you into a great professional. It will teach you the value of judicial time. It will also help you enrich your legal skills. It is not, however, meant for those who wish to start their practice here. This is a court which expects its practitioner to have actually practiced before other courts, spend a couple of years there, and then transition to this court. And believe me, you will never regret practicing in the Supreme Court for the rest of your life. And thank you, and I'll catch you in the corridor.